Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Purple color, black color, red color, green color, light gray color, yellow color, yellow ochre color, gray color, pink color, blue color, and orange color. Kids, now you draw A and use orange color. A for apple. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use blue color. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use green color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use red color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use pink color. J for joker. K for king. Kids, now you draw L and use black color. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use orange color. O for orange. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q and use purple color. Q for the queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use yellow color. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use black color. U for umbrella. V for van. Kids, now you draw W and use red color. W for whale. X for xylophone. Kids, now you draw Y and use blue color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.